Kayden, this is a new flyer. I know, Grandma, Auntie Joe, look.
Okay. I let
Okay.
him put it away. All right, here we go. Now you can go easily as you want. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Kayden's on the new flyer.
There you go. Now you can search. Go right down to where the seats are.
And we'll await his return. Sure, I'll step in the air conditioning for a second. I just want to take a video because there's.
What do you think? You gotta try that sometime, hey?
Oh, I know.
Know.
What? Oh, I like this air conditioning.
Whoa. Okay, we're done? Nice. Oh,
Good
awesome.
job.
Thank you.
Oh boy, you like that?
Oh, it's a steep hill.
Woohoo!
Oh, that was so fun. You took the ramp down for you. Grandma.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Good. Jet fighter.